Hey, it's time for homework help, week 7, day 3. So the first problem says, after working 6 hours, Kevin earned $51. What is Kevin's hourly rate? Now, hourly rate just means how much did Kevin earn in 1 hour. So I'm going to set this one up as equal rates. I'm going to start by writing 6 hours and 50 for $51. Remember, put money first, so money on top. So it's $51 for 6 hours. And we need to find out what is Kevin's hourly rate. So in other words, how much did he make in 1 hour? So to do this, we're going to divide the bottom, the denominator, by 6, because that's going to get us our 1. And if we divide the denominator by 6, we must divide the numerator by 6. Now 6 doesn't go into 51 equally, so you can use a calculator. And if you type in 51 divided by 6, it comes up 8.5. But remember, this is money, so we would add a 0 at the end. He earns $8.50 in an hour. That's his hourly rate. All right, let's go down to the problem below. It says, each day Marvin exercises for 48 minutes. Write an equation to find out how many days it will take him to exercise for 576 minutes. All right, so I'm going to start by, since it says write an equation, notice it doesn't give us addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So we have to figure that one out. So I'm going to start, I want to define the variable. It says write an equation to find out how many days. So that means our variable is going to be how many days. We don't know how many days, so I'm going to use D for the number of days. Now, if you want to think of this one, sometimes it helps to think of a simpler problem. Like, let's say Marvin exercised for 2 days. Let's say we knew D was 2. And he exercised for 48 minutes each day in that day. Well, to figure out the total minutes, you would do 2 times 48. You wouldn't do 2 plus 48 because you can't add 2 days with 48 minutes and get minutes. That makes no sense. So that would be 2 times 48. But remember, we don't know the number of days, so that's going to be D. So that helps us see it's a multiplication equation. So what I would do is I would do the number of days times 48 minutes, which we would write 48D. Remember, that means D times 48. And if you multiply the number of days times 48 minutes, you'll get 576 total minutes. So that is our equation, and it's a multiplication equation. All right, remember that trick. Sometimes think of a simpler problem to help you decide on the operation. If you have any other questions, save them for class. I'll talk to you later. Thank you.